Hi, this is a screencast for those wanting to know how to search the online catalogue for books at the Heathrop Library. The quickest way to get there is our website, heathroplibrary.co.uk, and you can click on Catalogue New at the top here. That will take you to the home page of the catalogue, so we can start searching for books. What we're going to do is search for this book, Understanding the Spiritual Exercises by Michael Evans. So to do a basic search for books, we can just choose 3 keywords from the book that we're looking for. So I'm going to choose part of the title and the author's surname, which will help narrow down the search. So I'm going to write Understanding Spiritual and Evans. So that has immediately brought up the book that we're looking for, Understanding the Spiritual Exercises. Here we can see some details of the book, so the title, the author's name, the publication date, and some subject keywords as well. And here are all the holdings for the book at the library. So as we can see, we have quite a lot of copies of this book in the reading room at Mount Street. We have the current library, which tells us the location, Mount Street Reading Room. Class number, that will tell us where to find it on the shelf. And we can click on Browse Shelf here if we want to just see what is on the shelf nearby as well. The status says available, which is good. That means it's ready to be borrowed. And the due date is blank. That's good too. If there was a due date filled in, that would mean that the book is currently being borrowed by another reader. So that would need to be waited for. But that's not the case with any of the copies of this book, which is good. If I scroll down here to close to the bottom of the results, we can also see a few copies that are stored off-site as well. So at Crown and at Deep Store. Those are the books that can be requested, and that takes 2 working days. There is a separate screencast that will cover how to do that. So we've seen a very basic search here for books, and there'll be a separate screencast covering some slightly more advanced features of searching.